welcome back to another video. Just a little quick one today. I'm going to have a chit chat during this video instead of doing a voiceover. I've not got a lot of spare time on my hands today, so I thought I'm just going to do a quick little gel polish set. I'm trying to get my head into autumn. Like, look, my nails are quite autumn, aren't they? Yeah, I don't like autumn. I love being out in amongst nature, in amongst the trees and all the colours. I can't get this lid off my base coat. Yeah, I love being out and about amongst nature, but as for autumn colours on my nails, yeah, I'm not really a fan. But yeah, I'm going to do a little cosy, toasty, toned down kind of set. So I'm just going to give these a quick base coat. I'm using Modelones base coat. They've changed the packaging recently, Modelones, but obviously I'm going to use up what I've got. So this is their old bottles. This base coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, so sticking with Modelones today, I've pulled out, this is two of the colours I got from the brown set that they do. They do a set of 6. One's a light creamy colour, one's a bit of a browny kind of grey colour. So let's get some colours on these nails. So I'm going to start with this one on the right. This is what would be the pinky. I think I'm going to cover the pinky in glitter, but I still want a base colour under it. So this is what would be my pinky. These gel polishes are so nice. I've always been a fan of Modelones though. Right, I'm going to get them cured and I'll give them a second coat off camera as well. You really don't need a second coat, but I'm going to do it anyway. Right, I want to give these a matte top coat, but before I matte top coat over gel polish, I always wipe off that tacky layer, because the amount of times I have knackered my matte top coats through getting bits of colour off tacky layers in it is unreal. I've ruined so many matte top coats. So yeah, get the tacky layer off. Right, so I'm just going to give these a quick matte top coat. This cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, so that's them out the lamp matte. I'm going to put the same colour as this pale one. I'm going to put some on my palette. I've got on 2 of these nails. I'm going to kind of do, not sweater nails, but a kind of checkered kind of. And I'm going to sprinkle the design in some of this acrylic powder that I got to review. I got sent it to review, but I don't use acrylic, so I didn't review it. But it's going to come in handy today anyway. Anyway, so let's start with this one. So when you're doing long straight lines like this, make sure you coat your whole brush in the gel polish. And then what I normally do is swipe through it. So I'm just gonna, I'm trying to make sure. Sometimes you can end up with a little ball of gel on the end of the brush. You don't want that, so just wipe that off. And I'm just going to go straight down like that. I always find just get it on and swipe down. If I try and do it slow and be really careful, I end up bodging it up. So just commit to it and just swipe straight down. I'm going to cure this first layer in the lamp because I want it to be quite raised. So I'm going to cure this first layer in the lamp, and the second layer I'll cover that in the acrylic. So I'm going to cure that, and then I'll do the next lines. I'm going to just flash cure each line, so if I make a mistake on the next line I don't have to wipe the whole thing off. Right, now I want to do 2 lines across the top. And then I'm going to do one underneath it. About there. And then I want one across the bottom as well. Just about there. Right, so I'm going to cure that in the lamp and give it a second coat, and then we'll get the acrylic poured onto it. Right, whilst that gel polish is wet, we're going to sprinkle this clear acrylic over it. And this will just give it that kind of embossed matte look that we all like to do with sweater nails. So I'm just going to pour it into the lid. Ooh. What I normally do is I'll pour it on, just give it a second or two to soak in, tap it off, and if any of it is still shiny, like there, the gel polish is still a little bit shiny, just tap a little bit more on it, and then again tap it off, and then I'm going to stick that in the lamp now. I'm going to give it 60 seconds just to make sure it's properly cured all the way through. And I'm going to do exactly the same on this one as well now. Right, that's them two out the lamp. So just get a brush and brush off any excess powder that might still be on the nail. They look toasty and cosy already, don't they? Right, so now this one I am going to give just a generous coat. I'll probably do 2 coats of this Modelones Diamond Nail Gel. This is number 3531. I don't think I've ever used this gel. I was going to put some glitter on, but the glitter I was going to put on is pretty much the same as this gel. So yeah, I'm going to give it 2 coats of this because I want full coverage really. I don't want any gaps in it. That's why I put the colour underneath, just so the nail's not see-through, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I'm going to give it a second coat as well. So I'm just going to get some, put some rhinestone glue on this one, and get some rhinestones put on it. Right guys, that's them finished. Very simple autumn. They've got an autumn feel to them, haven't they? This is probably as autumn as you're going to get out of me this autumn, or any autumn for that matter. I don't like autumn colours, but I don't mind these kind of autumn colours. They've definitely got an autumn feel to them anyway. I'm sorry if you can hear the Hoover in the background. But yeah, I quite like them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any more autumn sets. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye!